Hello, my name's Kiaz and I'm here to tell you about Restyler, which is a fantastic new project, part of the Remode Collective. I'm not here on my own in an empty studio. I am actually here with the lovely Monica, self-distanced and all correct. And we just basically want to introduce you to Restyler. And why is this important, you say? Well, it's because we all need to reduce our textile waste. Did you know that the lifespan of a garment in the UK at the moment is just 2.5 years? So how does Restyler work? Well, you can send us or you can bring us any garments you have in your wardrobe, and what we can do is we can suggest to restyle it or refashion it, we can embellish it, or we can just simply mend it, and then we can just send it back to you, or you can come and collect it, your beautiful new garment. Look at that! That was an old tartan jacket. Sleeves have just been taken off and the darting has just been reduced in to keep the armhole shape, to make it into a nice little top. Patch on the front where there was a hole in the tartan, and then just replace the buttons for these lovely pearly buttons. And how will we use the money from your generous pledges? At the moment in the studio we have about 8 machines, varying in uses, our most recent being this Singer embroidery machine, but what we really need is the software associated with it to be able to develop our own designs to embroider your garments, and perhaps in our wildest dreams an industrial machine. So please, please, please pledge as much as you can, and definitely check on this side of the screen what rewards are available for every pledge given. So, what have we already done to reduce textile waste in Scotland? We already offer community projects and lots of events and workshops in our studios, both here and online at the moment, through our website remode.com. So help us reach our goal. You can either go onto the pledges, go onto the information at the side, go onto the website, send us an email, just get in touch with us, and please, hopefully we can reach our goal. Really, it's you that can make a difference. We'd be so, so thankful. So thank you very much. And it's bye from me and Monica. Bye!